Welcome back, beautiful souls. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of manifestation and learning about the all-important Step 3, visualizing your desires. If you missed the previous steps, don't worry. We've got you covered. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our transformative content. Let's get started. Your desires. Visualization is a powerful tool in the manifestation process. It involves creating a clear mental image of what you want to manifest in your life. Here's how you can do it. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Take a few deep breaths to relax your mind and body. Clear intentions. Focus on your desires and intentions. Be specific about what you want to manifest. Imagine it as if it's already happening in your life. Engage your senses. Use all your senses to make the visualization more vivid. See the colors, hear the sounds, feel the textures, and even imagine the taste and smell related to your desire. Emotional connection. Attach positive emotions to your visualization. Feel the joy, excitement, and gratitude as if you have already achieved your goal. Repetition. Practice your visualization regularly. The more you do it, the more your subconscious mind accepts it as a reality. Visualization helps align your thoughts and feelings with your goals, making it easier to attract them into your life. If you haven't already liked, subscribe, and share this video to help others on their manifestation journey. Stay tuned for Step 4. Until next time, keep creating a life you love.